Welcome to this library service tutorial from the Academic Writing series. This will focus on writing introductions. In this tutorial, we will address the following learning questions. What do I need to include in an introduction? How do I structure an introduction? And why is the introduction important? 3 things to consider for a good introduction are that you show direct engagement with the assignment, you explain key terms clearly and concisely, and overall you need to inspire the reader and encourage them to read on. One potential approach takes on this 3-stage format. Start by giving the reader some background or context so they understand the topic. This might include essential information which is crucial to your understanding of the topic, and here you may even need to include your own personal interpretation of the question or brief. You may want to explain the significance of the topic and why they are discussing it, along with explaining any key terms which are key to the content of the piece. The next sentence or section could be an overview. This outlines the structure of the piece by highlighting the main points and guides the reader through by providing a route map. It also keeps you on track and ensures everything works well together to help provide a solid conclusion. The third step is to write your thesis statement, or argument, a statement that explains your viewpoint and the conclusion you will be presenting to the reader. It enables the reader to focus on the way each section is connected to and driving towards the conclusion. It also serves to help you be clear about the points you are making and how they fit together as a whole. Try to avoid introducing information that's not relevant to the question and is in fact too generic. You also want to leave out vast amounts of background information which does not contribute to the points or arguments you are making and wish to highlight. One little tip though is to investigate writing the introduction last.